Hey everyone, I'm Jason, and welcome back to Robot Wants It All. Today I'm playing the classic map of A Robot Wants Puppy. Astute viewers will know that I played through that level on the channel previously, but this time I'm playing it in the dark, which means I'll be using the In the Dark mutator, which will only allow me to see a small area around our robot protagonist. That'll make the game more difficult, but I think I'm up for the challenge. So if you haven't seen my playthrough of the remix map of Robot Wants Puppy in the Dark, that is my most recent Robot Wants video, and I recommend you give it a view. That is a more challenging map than this one, and I'm sure I will die on this map as well, but I died quite a bit on the remix one. Makes for some interesting viewing. Ooh! Lucked out on the timing there. Gonna wait for my cat to regenerate here, or return, I guess would be the proper terminology. There we go. And that is Razor Claw Power Up number 2. Oh, there we go. Okay, first death. Almost second death. So I did manage somehow a deathless run of the classic map of Robot Wants Puppy. Of course, that was in the light as opposed to in the dark, but I'm avoiding dying lots of times here, you know, more than luck would indicate that I should, so I'll take that boon in good stride here. Nope. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Yeah, with the in-the-dark mutator, you just kind of have to guess where the enemies are sometimes, because you cannot see. Nope. So there we go. Excuse me. No, keep going, keep going. Seemed that game didn't respond to my keyboard input there, so that was why I was desperate to not want to be stuck in that spot for too long. Now I gotta be careful with that Hippulon still bobbing around over there. Key card number 5. Yep. Six. Now, where is Blocko in its cycle? Okay, well, it's heading to the left, which is not ideal, but I was able to get in just a little. Nope, gonna have to wait. If I could have gotten to the other side of Blocko before being hit, then I would have had some leeway to work with, but it did not come to pass. There we go. Seven. So this is going to be another challenging spot, because there are 4 Snorks, and you don't know where most of them are at any given time. Two, 3, 4. Nope. Oh, come on, almost. Just hit. There we go. Oh, no. Yeah, there we go. There we go. is 7 of the 10 Kitty Claw power-ups. Oh, the webcam placement might not be ideal for this part of the map. There we go. Okay, so I have 2 Kitty Claw power-ups remaining, and then the Secret Item of Wonder, and then it will be time to finish the game. That return journey can be difficult. So that is all of the collectibles. Now it's just back up to the top to end the game. There we go. 1650. Robot got puppy. Kitty hates puppy. The ironic ending to Robot wants puppy. So, under 17 minutes on the in-game timer. Speedy, agile, nice shot, in the dark, superstar, ultrabot, classic map. So, the face cam is covering up some of the achievements screen, but that's okay. And yeah, under 17 minutes in the dark in the classic map of Robot Wants Puppy after collecting all of the collectibles. Not a bad run. So thank you all for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, I have lots more where this one came from. Many videos of playthroughs of various levels in Robot Wants It All. I also recommend that you check out No Rolls Barred. I'll have a link to that YouTube channel in the description below. They're a board gaming channel that I've been watching a lot of recently, and they have lots of great videos, and they show off lots of fun looking board games that I haven't played before, and very nice light entertainment during times that can be rather stressful in the world for various reasons. So yeah, and they've been recording for the past 2 years or so, so they have all kinds of videos in their archive for you to watch. So once again, thank you all for joining me, and have a great day.